Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Single back with a new video in the C programming tutorial series. So in this video we are going to learn about arrays in C. So let's start without wasting the time. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our playlist on C programming tutorials, access this now, save it anywhere. The link is in description. Let's start with the code. So as you can see guys, I am in my Visual Studio Code. Let me make a new file here. Let it be array.c. Array.c, yeah, increasing the font size. Hope you can see it, adjusting the window. Now the main basic snippet. Yeah. So guys, what is an array? An array is a collection of many items of a same data type. For example, if you have to make a list of 100 names, would you prefer to make a 100 variables or a simple array? Obviously an array. So let me tell you here what is then basic syntax of array. Declaring array. So you have to declare the array by normal like an variable here type, then array or name of the array name, and then square braces, then the size of the array. It is not necessary in one dimensional array, but it is in two dimensional or multi-dimensional arrays. So I'm removing this from here and equals to the array in curly braces or elements here, elements. So this is one type of declaring an array for one dimensional. Another is type, then name, then the square braces, then the size of the array here, and then semicolon. So guys, in this type, you have to specify the size of the array if you are not initializing it there. So these are two ways to declaring a one dimensional array. Let us check about two dimensionals. So these are type and then here name, then square braces and square braces. How many dimension it has is the number of square braces you have, a set of square braces. So this is the two-dimensional array, the two-dimensional array, and I'm initializing it here. So equals to the curly braces, and then you have to specify the size here, size of row, and then the size of column as for two-dimensional arrays. And here the element of first row in curly braces, first row, and then the second row. Let me adjust this. Yeah, hope you can see this now. Then the semicolon. So this is the type of declaring an a two-dimensional array, initializing it there. If you don't want to initialize it there, just remove this and put the semicolon here. Let me show you. Copy this, and then here, yeah, and then the semicolon. You can initialize it later. So guys, this is the basic syntax of initializing or declaring an array. Let us check with an example of a single dimensional array here. Int the name of array, let it be array or a double r, then the square braces or square brackets, and I'm initializing it here. So let it be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. So it is the array of a single dimensional, and now we have to print the elements of the array. So here for int I is equals to 0, then I is less than 7, and I plus plus. Now in the loop printf the percentage the element of array is percentage d, and then comma the variables. The variable is I comma air and square braces, then the I, and now here semicolon. Yeah, now we have to run this and check this if it is running. So here it is. As you can see guys, it is running correctly. Let me insert a new line character here. Don't forget that. Run the code again. Yeah, as you can see, it is printing all the elements of the array. So let us check the two-dimensional array, the basic two-dimensional array. This is the basic of a one-dimensional array. We will check the more arrays after the two-dimensional array. Let me make this commented as I have to go give you the code. Now the second array, int, start a tab here, int array2, the size of the rows, number of rows, let them be 2 rows, and then the columns. So the number of column, let it be 3. Yeah, now initializing it here. So the braces, now the row 1 is 1 comma 2, and then the row 2 with comma. So row 2 is we have to make a more element here, as we have column number 3 here. Let it be 1 2 3, and in the second let it be 4 5 6. So 4 5 6. This is our two-dimensional array here, semicolon. Now for printing this, I'm using a for loop again. For int I equals to 0, then I is less than this. So here 2 and not 22 I plus plus, and inside the loop another for loop for int j equals to 0, j is less than 3, and j plus plus. Inside the second loop, printf the percentage d element of array is percentage d, and new line character here. Now the variables, so here I comma j comma air2, and the here I in square bracket 1, then j in square bracket 2, then the semicolon. Then let us check again if it is working here. Yeah, it is working quite correctly. As you can see, it is working well. It prints all the elements of array. This is for row 1 up to 3, then row 2 up to 6 from 4. So these were the basic two-dimensional and one-dimensional arrays. So let me show you the more examples of arrays. Let me save this file and cut this. Yeah, now making a new file here, array 2.c. Yeah, now the main basic snippet or boilerplate here. So we have to take the elements of the array from the user and print them. So let me make a new array here, int, firstly a single dimensional array, array1. I'm giving it length 7. Yeah, 7, and then using a for loop for int I equals to 0, then I is less than 7, I plus plus, and then inside the loop printf, enter the value of I, here percentage d, yeah, percentage d element of array, and then semicolon, new line character, and then here semicolon, here the colon, not semicolon. Now the scanf percentage d, comma, the address of the variable, so ampersand array 1, and then the I as the number of array element is I. Now this will take the value of array from the user, here semicolon. Now we have to print that, so for that another for loop for int I equals to 0 and I is less than 7, I plus plus. Inside the loop, printf the percentage d element of array is percentage d, and then new line character, and then comma I, comma ampersand, not ampersand, here array2, and then I in square brackets. Now the semicolon here, you can see the code. This is the code. I think there is a problem. What's the problem, man? Yeah, I percentage d percentage. Let us check the problem by running the code here. Each undeclared identifier is reported only once. Appear. We have used here array2. It is array1. Yeah. Now run the code again. Enter the value of -2 element of array. What the hell is happening? Percentage d. We didn't give the variable here I. Yeah. Now run the code again. Yeah. 0 element, let it be 1. 1 element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you can see it take the value up to 7 and print all them. So this is the example 1 of a single dimensional array. Let us check about double dimensional array. So let me comment this all. Yeah. Now declaring a two-dimensional array, int let it be a only, a. Now square brackets, size of rows, number of rows, actually let it be 4. Yeah. Then number of columns, let it be 3, equals to, not equals to, I'm getting it from user. Now for int I equals to 0 and I is less than 4 and I plus plus, inside the loop another loop for int j equals to 0, j is less than 3 and j plus plus. Inside the second loop, printf enter the value of percentage d element of array, and then new line character, comma I, comma j, the semicolon. Now most important part of C and Java. Now scanf. So scanf percentage d percentage not percentage comma here ampersand r a and I another square bracket j. Now the semicolon here. So this will take the value of array from the user. Now the other loop which will print the value of the array. So the other loop here, let me do it here. Yeah, for int I equals to 0 and I is less than 4 and I plus plus. Yeah, yeah, I plus plus. Inside the loop, another loop for int j equals to 0 and j is less than 3 and j plus plus. Now inside the second loop, printf d percentage d, not fd, yeah, and percentage d element of array is percentage d percentage, not percentage again, comma and a square bracket I and square bracket j. Correct? Yeah. Now let's check the code by running it. Firstly here semicolon. What's happening? Yeah, here semicolon. Now check the code by running this. 0 0, let it be 1, 0 1 2 3 and 1 0, let it be 7 8 9. Now as we have given 3 rows, only 4 rows, let it be 4 5 6. Now the third, let it be 11 12 13. We forget to insert the new line character here. Run this again. This time now let it be 1 comma 2 comma 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 10 11 12. As you can see, 1 2 element of array, it is putting some garbage value here. I think I did something wrong. A printf percentage d percent, we forget to give these percentage d. So here I comma j comma a I j. Now run the code. Error is here. What's happening? We have missed the bracket here. Yeah, now run the code. It should work now. 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yeah, it's giving it correct now. 0 0 is 1, 0 1 is 2, 0 2 is 3, 1 0 is 4, and so on up to 12. So this was the example of two-dimensional array. Hope you understand the arrays in C. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and comment down. So thanks for watching.